Hi, I'm Roxanne Carne, personal wardrobe stylist for women, and today I'm going to share a quick tip with you on how to care for your wardrobe. And it technically is a styling tip because when you care for your wardrobe and you care for it well, they end up being pieces that you can style in different ways, right? So here's my tip for you. Basically, pretty much all of us have some wardrobe pieces that require some dry cleaning from time to time, right? And what's important is that when you pick your clothes up from that dry cleaner, what you need to make sure is that when you bring it home, take it out of that plastic immediately, okay? The reason why you want to do this is because, first of all, the dry cleaners, even organic dry cleaners, they do use heavy chemicals to lift stains out of clothing. Stains, natural oils, things like that, odors, all of that. And what you're doing, if you're bringing it home and just keeping it in the plastic bag, you're not letting your clothes breathe at all. So clothes definitely need to breathe. So please take that plastic off. And another reason why you really want to do this too is that over time, if you have clothes, especially whites, that are in those plastic bags for an extended period of time, your colors will actually fade. Your colors, that white will turn into a soft, better yellow. And I'm sharing this with you because when I go to clients' closets all the time, I almost always see clothes that are still hanging in those dry cleaning bags, right? But then when we go to pull it out and we're looking at the clothes, it's like, oh my goodness, my client's telling me, Roxanne, this used to be white. And I'm like, I know, and it turned yellow because you had it in this plastic and it's not breathing. So get all this plastic off as soon as you come into the house, right? Get it off. And then the other thing I'll tell you too is please get your clothes off of the wire hangers. These are like a death trap for clothes, okay? No more wire hangers, right? Instead, what you want to do is put your clothes on velvet slimline hangers, and I'll include a link for you where you can get it. But these are really, really nice because they're shaped in the contour and shape of a natural human shoulder, and they're very thin, so they don't take a lot of space in your wardrobe. And because they are velvet, you're not going to have slips. Your clothes aren't going to be, popping off the side from, one side to the other. It's going to be easy. You put it on your clothes on these hangers and they're going to stay. So remember, next time you pick up your dry cleaning, I want you to please, please, please take that plastic off before you put it into your wardrobe. If you found this tip helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And I want you to share in the comment section, is this something that you're guilty of? Do you just take everything and think, oh, I'm protecting the clothes so it won't get dust on it. Let me just hang it in the closet. Are you doing that to your clothes? And if so, and if you've got clothes in your closet right now that have plastic on them, please, as soon as you finish watching this video, go and get it out. But again, I hope that this tip was helpful. And if you would love to watch more tips from me, be sure to, again, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you'll get the first dibs on when the new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to sensible style. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.